Is your multimedia or imaging software crashing because of the libxml2.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start the walkthrough for libxml2, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the libxml2, a foundational library used for parsing XML data structures. It provides applications with the ability to read, write, and manipulate XML files. It is a mandatory requirement for thousands of cross-platform apps and web-connected tools. If missing, the application cannot resolve its internal configuration manifests, resulting in a fatal module not found error at startup. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. libxml2 is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the libxml2 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for libxml2 DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing libxml2 dependencies. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure libxml2 remain stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.